In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide badge in Lovable AI. If you want a cleaner, fully branded experience in your app or site, hiding the Lovable badge is a quick setting you can switch on. There's just one important prerequisite to know before you begin. First, make sure your account is on a paid plan. The option to hide the badge isn't available on free tiers, so if you don't see the control later on, it usually means you need to upgrade your subscription. Once your plan supports it, you're good to go. Head to the Lovable dashboard in your browser and sign in. From the main dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll find your project navigation. Click All Projects to open the list of everything you've created. If you have a lot of projects, it can help to search by name to quickly locate the one you want to update. Select the project where you want to hide the badge. This takes you to the project overview. Next, open the settings area. Depending on your layout, settings may appear in the left sidebar or near the top of the project page. If there are tabs inside settings, make sure you're on the project tab so you're editing the correct set of options. Now scroll through the settings until you find the option labeled Hide Lovable Badge. It's typically a simple toggle switch. When you see it, turn the toggle on. As soon as you enable it, the badge is disabled for that project. Most accounts save this change automatically, so you shouldn't need to click a separate save button. A few quick tips. If the toggle is grayed out or you're prompted to upgrade, that confirms your current plan doesn't include badge hiding. Switching to a paid tier that supports this feature will unlock it. If you've just enabled the toggle but still see the badge on your published app or site, refresh the page, wait a moment for caching to clear, or open it in a private window to rule out browser cache. Team members with restricted permissions might not be able to change this setting, so if you don't see settings at all, ask an admin to grant access. Finally, remember that this change applies per project. If you manage multiple projects, repeat the same process in each one where you want the badge hidden. And that's it. With the right plan and a quick visit to project settings, you can hide the Lovable badge and keep your interface focused entirely on your brand.